Hello, Long Branch Public School family. Well, we tried. We tried to open our doors for children this September. Collectively, we developed probably one of the most complex and comprehensive plans just to keep our children and staff safe so they can return. We even utilized new technology for screening. We utilized new devices for scanning and even embraced innovative ways to stay connected to each one of you in a blended learning environment. I closed the broadcast about 10 days ago with a small disclaimer at the end that this plan is solid and won't change unless we're given some new guidance or modifications from our state leaders. And, well, I think we all have heard the news. Last week, our governor introduced a new option for districts to begin the school year with remote learning for children. Now, I don't really know if it had a direct impact upon this, but what we saw right away, we saw an increase in that flexibility impacted our survey data. And since his announcements, our requests for remote learning, for accommodations, for work leaves have absolutely skyrocketed. We now have more than 3,200 students and 275 staff members who feel it would be safer if children began the school year learning remotely. Now, that's a significant change from our original data that we presented nearly 10 days ago. Considering this new data and these new factors, and in order to maintain the highest quality of health and safety and the highest quality of instruction for our entire Long Branch Public School family, we must begin the 2020 school year with remote learning for all children. Now, I know this information brings probably some mixed emotions because I have some mixed emotions about it too. Some might have increased pressure now to find childcare, while others actually might feel relieved to avoid a brush with this virus. This pivot in direction means that all children will be part of our new wave digital learning experience that allows children to connect to their teachers, to their assistants, the therapists, the school administrators, just on the regular. Information about your child's school, teacher, and schedule for the upcoming school year will be shared with you in the upcoming weeks. So don't worry, we have more information coming your way about this process. If you're looking for some additional services, we've got that built into our remote learning plan as well. So the services for families include childcare. We will be opening our early childhood centers and our elementary schools in a limited capacity with our child care providers. So Champions has already begun registering children. Now remember, they have a limited capacity, so if you need child care, you may want to reach out to them as soon as possible. For those looking for internet access and additional devices, please reach out to your child's school as soon as possible so we can make sure we get you a device to get your child connected to learning so we can start the school off on the right foot. For those looking for meals and information, we're going to continue with a 3-day-a-week distribution at each of the sites that we have this year so that we can ensure that every child has breakfast and lunch each and every day. We're going to be reevaluating this process over the next 30 days. And if the guidance in 30 days gives us increased flexibility and to ensure a safe return, we'll be sure to put an update out immediately to tell you our status for October. We're going to do whatever it takes to get our children back safely, but it might just take a little time. As always, I want to thank you for your continued support. Stay healthy, be well, and stay Long Branch strong. Thank you.